Hello students, I hope you all are fine at home and you must have done your previous work whichever I have given you. I will be giving its answer also. So now the topic which we are going to do is noun and its parts common noun and proper noun. So first let's discuss what is noun. Noun is name of person, place, animal and thing. नाउन क्या है? नाउन जिसे हम हिंदी में संज्ञा भी कहते हैं, किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जगह, स्थान का नाम का हमें पता चले उसे हम संज्ञा कहते हैं. उसी प्रकार द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल एंड थिंग विच टेल्स अस अबाउट these names can be said as noun. Here are some examples. John, it is a name of person. School, it is a name of place. Dog, it is name of animal. Pen, it is a name of thing. So the name of person, place, animal and thing is called noun. Now we are going to discuss about the common noun and the proper noun. So let's discuss first about the common noun. These nouns can be said as common name of a person, place, animal and thing. As we all know, there are name of each of the thing in this world, but there are some common names which can be said as common noun of a person, of a place, of animal and thing. This refers to the community of the different of the things in the world. For example, boy, girl, bird, cities. We can define a group of birds, group of girls, group of boys where there is no particular name for each. So, common naming words can also be called common nouns. जो किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जानवर या किसी चीज़ के आम नाम होते हैं उनको हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. Next we are going to do is proper noun. These nouns are nouns which have their particular names for person, place, animal and thing. जिन व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जगह, जानवर या किसी चीज़ का एक स्पेसिफिक नाम हो, पर्टिकुलर नाम हो, उसे हम प्रॉपर नाउन कहते हैं. दुनिया में कोई भी चीज़ है जिसका एक अपना अलग नाम है उसे हम प्रॉपर नाउन कहते हैं. स्पेशल नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन्स. सो स्पेशल नेमिंग वर्ड्स मीन्स किसी भी चीज़ का स्पेशल नेम है तो उसे हम प्रॉपर नाउन भी कहते हैं. Next one, all proper nouns begin with a capital letter. This is a very important thing that all the proper nouns, they are always starting with the capital letter. For example, Rahul, Neha, Parrot, Sardulgarh. Now there are more examples to make you understand. This side I have taken the common noun and the other side I have taken the proper noun. So let's start with the day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and so on are the proper nouns of the common noun day. Next there are months. January, February, March, April and so on are the proper nouns of the common noun month. Next there is cities. Sardulgarh, Sirsa and many more cities we are having. Those are the proper noun of the common noun cities. Next we are talking about monuments, means different type of buildings such as Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Qutub Minar and many more like these. All the buildings which have their particular name are proper noun and they have their common noun as monument or building. Same as we will be talking about country, India, America, and with this the languages such as English, Punjabi, Hindi. I hope you have understood this. So now we are going to do the exercise. So We are going to read this para which is given to us, and we are going to find out common naming word means common nouns and special naming words means proper noun. So let's read the para. An angry dog called Tim lay on a pile of a hay in a stable. When hungry oxen and cows walked into the stable after a long day, Tim barked and growled at them. He did not let them to eat the hay. What a selfish animal, said Buzo the ox to his friend Rocky. Dogs cannot eat hay, and yet he will not let us eat. Joe the farmer was outside feeding hens. He sent his son Harry to see why Tim was barking. Harry shooed Tim away. Finally, Buzo and his friends could eat in a peace. This is the para which is given to us. We have to find out common nouns and the proper nouns. Here are two different type of words colored in a blue and in a red. We have to find out from those words which are common noun and which are proper noun. So first, what I am going to do for you is, let's take the dog. It refers to the community of the dog and it has not any particular name, so we will take it in a common naming word and write here dog. And next word I am going to take is Tim. Tim is a particular name for a dog and I'll take that in special naming word. Accordingly, you have to do other. I hope you have understood and you will do it correctly. Thank you.